Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of dice rolls of money in Monopoly Go, no jumping or computer needed. So as you can see, guys, I'm super rich and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see right here, I can win. I'm just super cool, guys. This actually works. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. I mean, this is super crazy here, as you can see. So yeah, this actually works, guys. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm wrecking everybody, you know, I'm super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video. This is super insane, guys. So let's go ahead and see if we're rich or not, guys. This is the moment, the truth. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you need to do, guys, go to this website, monorolls.com. All right. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the site where we can become rich. So it's called monorolls.com. So once you're on this site, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account. So I like to go for the max, but you can do whatever amount you want. So now we're going to go ahead and enter in our username and select our platform. So I'm going to just go ahead and type that in right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. And now I'm going to go ahead and press proceed, and it's going to ask us to confirm. You want to press generate, and now we're just going to wait for this to load. So it should be pretty fast, guys, so let's just give it a second. All right. All right, so let's just wait for it to load here, as you guys can see. So anyways, guys, once it is done, we're going to go ahead and press verify because you have to do a verification, which is very simple, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So all we got to do is download some apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free and they're from the official app store. So I'm just going to go ahead and download some of these here, as you guys can see. So there's a ton of them. It doesn't really matter what you do at all. Like, really, just do any of them, guys. So as you can see, it says complete 2 more offers to continue. So I'm going to go in and download the iHeartRadio. It's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load. All right, so let's just give it a second to redirect me to the App Store. And while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back on selected apps and download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure that the process works. So the first one started downloading. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and let's do the TikTok. So it's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to download the app. So we can just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so we'll just wait for it to load here, so you guys can see. All right, we'll just give it a second to redirect me here. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if we're done. So the radio's done. So I'm just going to open it up and do some basic interactions, you know, just touch around, whatever. Nothing too crazy, guys. You don't have to spend any money on these apps. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here. Just sign up with email. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email address right here, as you guys can see. Pretty easy, guys. You don't have to do anything too crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here. All right, I'm just going to sign up. Yeah, this is super simple, guys. So I'm just running through this right here, put in my gender. All right. Yeah, this is so easy, guys. So we're pretty much done with this app. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other app. So let me just go to the home screen here, and I'm just going to do that one. So the next app to do is the TikTok. So I'm just going to run that and just do some basic interactions, you know, touch around, whatever. Nothing too crazy, guys. You don't have to spend any money or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, so you guys can see. All right, you're just pressing around. So I'm just doing that right here, as you guys can see. All right, yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. You don't have to be a pro or anything like that. You just have to go ahead and run it, you know, just do some basic interactions. So we're pretty much done with this app, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the home screen and see if I'm rich. I don't know if it worked, to be honest with you, but we're about to find out. So let's see what happened. All right, this is the moment of truth, guys. Are we poor or are we rich? We're rich, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it up yourself, get the word up. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So this video works, you guys. Be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out about the method, because it's super cool, guys, and it actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and peace out.